Did you know NX CAM 2306 and above can turn embedded cut areas into reusable mill areas? Let's jump into today's quick tip: cut area extraction. Have you ever created a cut area within an operation only to realize you need that same cut area in other operations? Or have you found yourself reselecting the same cut area multiple times because you didn't create a mill area from the start? A helpful feature you might not know about: NX CAM can actually let you extract a cut area embedded in an operation and convert it into a reusable mill area in just a few clicks. Let's see how it's done. Switch to Geometry View in the Operation Navigator. This step is crucial. Without it, the Extract Cut Area function won't be available. Right-click on the operation containing the cut area. Go to Object, click Extract Cut Area. As soon as you click it, NX will pull the cut area from the operation and convert it into a mill area. You can now reuse this mill area in any subsequent operation, saving time, especially in complex programs where the same cut area is used repeatedly or is difficult to reselect. And that wraps up today's NX CAM quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. For more insights, stay tuned to Longterm Technology Services. Need help with NX CAM? Please reach out. We're here to help.